Instruction: listen to the question and choose the best response. Question 1. Short conversation. Can we still watch the musical now?
No, all the tickets have already been sold.
What is the problem? A. The musical was cancelled. B. The tickets are too expensive. C. The tickets are sold out. D. The showtime was changed. Question 2. Question and response. Where will he not sit this time on the plane? A. In the front row. B. In the back of the plane. C. Near the window. D. Next to the aisle. Question 3. Short conversation. We talked about it for a long time, but in the end, it wasn't that important.
I can't believe we wasted so much time on that.
What does the man mean? A. The discussion was very productive. B. The topic was not important. C. They need to talk about it again. D. He learned something valuable. Question 4. Question and response. Who should I ask to alter my uniform? A. A manager. B. A tailor. C. A doctor. D. A cleaner. Question 5. Short conversation. Would you please give me my check?
Sure.
Could you pack this leftover for doggy food?
Sure, I'll be right back.
Where is this conversation most likely taking place? A. At a pet store. B. At a clothing shop. C. At a restaurant. D. At a supermarket. Question 6. Short conversation. Will the woman get the fundraising done by this weekend?
Yes, she'll do it by hook or by crook.
What does the phrase, by hook or by crook, mean? A. She will delay it. B. She will do it no matter what. C. She will ask for help. D. She will do it next week. Question 7. Short conversation. I'm not sure what to do about this class.
In my opinion, you should bite the bullet and continue.
What does the phrase, bite the bullet, mean? A. Drop the class. B. Stay in the class. C. Report to the teacher. D. Take another class. Question 8. Question and response. The ammunition storage blew up last night. What does the man wonder about? A. The damage. B. The explosion. C. The location. D. The rescue operation. Question 9. Short conversation. We need to dock the boat before the storm hits.
Okay, let's find a safe place quickly.
Where will they most likely dock the boat? A. A stadium. B. A pier. C. A runway. D. A track. Question 10. Short conversation. Did you see that team wearing matching outfits?
Yeah, but their fashion choice was a bit questionable.
What is the best way to describe the team's outfits? A. Trendy. B. Elegant. C. Tacky. D. Professional.